Hi, it's Kenton here again. Welcome along. If it's the first time you've been, welcome to the channel. It's called Northumberland Art. If you've been before, welcome back. Today I've got a small little sketch on some MDF. So I started off applying a gesso primer to them. So the colours on the palette are French ultramarine, cadmium red, a little bit of yellow ochre and white. But I thought it might be useful just to put the swatches up there of the mixed colours that I've used to produce 90% of this painting. So I was kind of just going off memory from the painting that I did a few weeks ago. This one is slightly different because I wanted just to create a little bit more colour and warmth into the finished piece. So I've put the blue snow for the fields in first, lightening them slightly as they recede into the distance, and then applying just a grey overcast cloud, and I wanted just to use a little pop of yellow ochre right at the end just to give that little feeling of some light coming through just at the end of the day. Like a story untold, every brush stroke burning in silver and gold. I paint with light. What I'm trying to do as well with this is work really quickly, so it will help is to have those colours pre-mixed up so you can work nice and quickly and get a nice blend with the acrylics, because as you know, acrylics dry extremely quickly. I've put a little line drawing up as well, which you're more than welcome to freeze the video and copy that or print it off. Hills like guardians, carved from the dawn, watching over valleys where the centuries have. Once the sky and the fields had dried, then I was putting in the dry stone walls just with a dark mix of blue and raw umber, just using this little hog hair brush, put in the lines, leave them nice and loose so it gives the impression of the jagged dry walls. And this trembling breath, every color rising, defying death. I paint with a on the water's glass, the stars reveal the truth the daylight masks. In that glow I see the shapes of home, every field, every stone, every soul I've known. I paint where the light remains in the boundless winds and the endless rains. So once that was all in, then it was time to start putting in the highlights into the snow. Now this is what makes the painting come to life. So again, I'm going to put up the image of the finished painting so you can see in the direction of where I'm going with this, and what I'm wanting to try and do is create the appearance of tire tracks going up the path. So I'm thinking of the light is coming through, although there's not much light, the light's coming through from the right to the left. Hopefully that's the right way around for this little video. If there's the tire tracks in the road going up there, which side would have the light on them and which side would be left in dark? So where the shadow is, I'm leaving it, not doing anything with that blue underpainting that I did. quick funny story before I start with this. If you've watched any of my previous videos, you'll see that sometimes I'm out on a beach walk and I might find something that captures my attention. The other week I did a painting where I literally just used a piece of mount board card like this one, and I painted on the surface of it, and there was two images I was wanting to recreate, and I literally just flipped it over and painted on the other side because they were just sketches. And turns out someone wanted to buy both pieces, and unfortunately I'd painted on the other side. So there's a little lesson for you. Sometimes grab another piece of paper. It doesn't cost anything really, does it? And because you never know who these paintings and might want to buy it, fall in love with it, want to buy it. And so anyway, yeah, that was a little lesson learned. So next time I'll grab another piece of paper. Anyway, back to this little video. I wasn't getting too bogged down in detail with this one. It was just to demonstrate the use of quite a strong colour, but still giving the appearance of the snow. So as I've said in previous videos, sand is never yellow, snow is never white. Hopefully you've found this video useful. Don't forget, if you enjoy this video and you got any benefit from it, it's always appreciated if you can hit the subscribe button and like the video. Until next time, goodbye.